How to install Shelly Wi-Fi button, called Button1? Let's get started. This is a short unboxing of Shelly Button1. What you may find in the box when you are opening it for the first time. When you open the covering sides, the first thing, which can be seen, is the invitation to our Facebook community group. You can find it with scanning the QR code. This is the device, Shelly Button1, which is really small and tiny. On the left side is the USB micro port rubber cover, which can be removed, so you can charge the battery of Button1. In the box, there is a user guide, which will help you to install the device according to your needs. You can easily turn it on just by pressing the button. This is the standard LED indicator. Button1 is trying to connect to a network, but for this purpose, you should power it with a micro USB and perform the procedure for inclusion. The next step is to add the device to your local network and to start using it with the Shelly Cloud app. Be sure that it is connected to a micro USB. Button1 is creating an access point to which you should connect. After that, open the browser on your smartphone and open the local interface of this device by accessing the following address: 192.168.33.1. Go to Internet and Security and click on Wi-Fi client mode. There you must enter the name, SSID, and password for your Wi-Fi network. You can add them by DHCP or with static IP out of the DHCP range. When you type them, press save and you will receive a confirmation. Go back to the Wi-Fi settings of your phone and connect to your home network. Open the Shelly Cloud application and in 30 seconds you will see the room discovered devices. Open it and you will see your Shelly with its ID. Press on click to add and type a name, select a room and a picture/icon, then press save device. You will be prompted if you want to connect your device to the Shelly Cloud service. It takes some time, so please wait. The device is successfully added to your account and to the cloud. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Shelly devices.